Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fajar Gilang Trifebriyanto, and my student ID is 221344009. I'm from Class 4A, and my supervisor is Mrs. Rahmawati, and my field supervisor is Mr. Denny Prayitno. I'm from Telecommunication Engineering, Electrical Engineering Department in Bandung State Polytechnic. Today, I will present to you my result, my internship result, entitled "Implementation of Cimahi City Government Website Monitoring Using VPS-based Uptime Kuma." My place of implementation of internship is in Cimahi City Communications and Informatics Office, and I'm from cryptography division and start from 7th of July 2025 to 13 November 2025. This is the organizational structure from the Communication and Informatics Office. So the background and objective, first is background. The context and urgency I take is, the first is strategic role. Cimahi Communications and Information Technology Office has managed 146 information system, including 695 for public services and 51 for administrations, supporting Smart City and SPBE. The requirements is vital service or licensing populations. All this 146 website is require 24-hour high availability in accordance with information security principles, which is CIA triad. So the current problem is in this Cimahi Communication and Information Technology Office, there is still the manual method, which is monitoring is still carried out conventionally or manually. And then disturbance detection is often delayed due to waiting for user complaint to be reported. So there is no automatic notification in here. So they are waiting for user complaint or check manually, and then the response will be suboptimal. So the proposed solution is implementation of an early warning system, which is using VPS-based uptime Kuma, and then real-time alert, which is integration of notification via Telegram bot, so that the technical team receive outage information instantly on mobile device. So the objective is, the first is system implementation. So I will implement the automated monitoring using uptime Kuma on a VPS to monitor government website ability. And the second one is notification integration, which is connected the monitoring system with a Telegram bot to send real-time downtime notification. The third is data monitoring. I will be monitored 25 sample websites to obtain accurate data on uptime and server response performance. And the fourth one is constraint analysis, analyze monitoring logs to identify technical issue on website and referencing low availability. Next is the tool and material. So there is Uptime Kuma for monitoring tools or monitoring the website. And then we have VPS or virtual server, and I will be using VPS from Biznet, GeoCloud, and then Telegram. Telegram is from the notification made from bot, and then there is Docker, which is platform container. So next is configuration steps. So this is VPS configuration. In this VPS, you need to enter your VPS name, region, and then product, and then cycle and operating system, which is I using Ubuntu, and the product is I will be using RAM. The RAM is 2 GB and the CPU is 2 core. Next, we have Docker configuration and uptime Kuma. So to install Docker and uptime Kuma, you need to use this command curl mkdir docker, or you can follow the commands above or below. So if you success to install uptime Kuma, this is the dashboard of uptime Kuma. So if you want to add new monitor, you need to set the monitor type to HTTPS and the name of the website and then the URL or the link of the website. So here is the monitoring. So on the right, you can see the monitoring display on uptime Kuma. You can see response time, average response, uptime, and certified expired. Next is notification from the Telegram bot. So if you want to uh, make a new bot, you can put the comment /new bot and then choose a name for your bot and then choose a username and then you have this token to and then the token will be put in the setup notification on the right. You can see the bot token and chat ID. Next, the result. So this is the monitoring system workflow. We have start, initialization, uptime Kuma and bot telegram. Lalu we have input the data of 25 website you want to monitoring, and then the update Kuma will be sent a request if the website response or status 200 OK, and then he will save the log and then repeat all over again. But if it down, it will save the log, but it will immediately send the notification of the website will be down in the Telegram. So this is the result of the monitoring of uptime Kuma. So overall, there is in this 25 website only like 3 website who is below 50%, but general performance is stable. The majority of public services demonstrate high stability between 99% to 100%, evidenced by the perfect performance of the SP4N Lapor application, 100% with no downtime. And then anomaly finding, there is we have all you can see, the Simrenda website is only 48.59%, that indicating connectivity disruption for nearly half the observation period. Why this can be happen? Based on error logs, true primary causes of Simrenda failures were identified by the first one is extreme latency or timeout message, because the website did not respond for 48 seconds, so uptime Kuma make it down. The second one is configuration error, which is error 404 message indicate that endpoint missing or wrong path. So next, the conclusion and suggestions. So the conclusion is the implementation of the uptime Kuma based monitoring system on VPS infrastructure has proven highly effective, replacing manually monitoring methods. Analysis results show excellent digital ecosystem stability, with the majority of services achieving uptime above 99%. However, the system was able to detect a critical anomaly in the Simrenda application, which only had 48.559% availability due to server overload. Furthermore, the integration of instant notification via Telegram bot significantly reduced technical team response time when handling services disruption. So for the suggestion from me is for future system development, it is recommended that monitoring coverage be expanded to the database layer and server resources usage or CPU or RAM to detect root causes early. As a priority, technically audits and configuration performance to the Simrenda application server should be performed immediately to restore service stability. Finally, Finally, the development of an automated performance reporting feature, or SLA reporting, is highly recommended to facilitate the process of periodically evaluating SPBE service quality. Thank you. That's the end. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.